All right, but once you've copied to the local drive, go ahead and open up the project file. Once you've done that, you should be able to double click on your results and that should open up. All right, so again, talking about the different programs, we had a program for meshing, we had a program for solving, which was Fluent, and now we have this new program for post-processing, CFD Post. And so the way ANSYS works, it has a meshing program, it has two solver programs, CFX and Fluent, and then it has a single post-processing program. So it doesn't have to put those all in Fluent and CFX and combine them all together. It just separates these things out depending on what you're trying to accomplish. All right, so let's get some plot here. We want to see some prettiness here. So come up here, you can do a contour, this little button, or go insert contour. And we'll just go with the default name, contour 1. And we're going to come over here and set where it says all domains, and then locations far field, go to the location editor next to that. All right, and we want to locate this on the symmetry so we can see it right here on the symmetry surface. So we'll go symmetry 1, and then if you click on the second one, it loses it, so make sure you control click to get both surfaces on the symmetry there. All right, so I got symmetry volume 1, symmetry volume 4, and click OK. All right, so we got so we have that. We'll leave it the variable as pressure, and we'll change it to look at just the local pressure. So the local pressure on this surface. That's what we want to look at. And then go ahead and click apply. Sorry, it's kind of can't see the top there, bottom. And then click apply down here in the bottom left, and apply your colors on that surface. So what we expect at the stagnation point, we have high pressure, right here at the tip of the probe, and also where the probe shaft that's holding it, it's going to be in the way of the flow, and that's going to crank up the pressure there as well. All right, and you can dig around in here, look at where you can put in vectors, all right, for velocity and other different things that CFD Post has to offer. But that's the exposure I wanted to give you to Fluent in ANSYS.